Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create Wise account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead first, download the Wise app, make sure it's updated version. Now then tap on the Wise app itself. Let it open for a while and tap on get started. Then tap on register. Now to register, you just need to require your email address. You can also do that, or you can directly go to the login section and you can choose to log in with Google, Facebook, and Apple ID of yours. I'm gonna go with the Google so it can have the access of my Google account, which includes my email as well directly. Choose your email, tap on continue. Now choose the preference. Do you want personal or business? So I'm gonna go with the personal account. I'm gonna choose my country, tap on continue. Again, tap on continue. I'm going to be adding my number for the verification purpose. Tap on send code. I have received the code, tap on done, and once you have done that, you'll have to create yourself a password. Tap on done once you've added the password, and there we go. I'm going to tap on maybe later, and we have our set up a passcode. Close, and there we go. We have our account created, and that is it. We have to add in more information like our residency and the information. I'm gonna cross it out for a while for now to show you, and there you go. Hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.